Welcome fans to another unboxing, number 2 of 3 in the X-ray body of the Hot Wheels Monster Jam series is the Virginia Giant. The one truck that was left out from a case earlier in the year was supposed to be released, and then there was no signs of it, and then it finally came out, and everybody was wondering if it would be a hard one to get or not. So let's go ahead and check out the back of the box. Higher Education and Tour Favorites, Megalodon and Epic Editions, Backdraft, Tour Favorites. There's Virginia Giant. We have the Grave Digger, the Legend and Tour Favorites, Carolina Crusher and Epic Editions, Avenger with that blue body style, and Tour Favorites, and El Toro Loco in Creatures. So let's go ahead and unbox the Virginia Giant X-ray body. The last Virginia Giant I got was back in 2014 with the mini Monster Jam figure. And before that, it was way back with the small hubs of Virginia Giants. So, not too many Virginia Giants I got. So there's the recrushable car. Here comes the Virginia Giant into the arena so we can take a look at him. Whoa. Wow. Yeah, very spectacular looking for an X-ray body. Most of the X-ray bodies here in 2018 have that really bright chassis. So it has the BKT Hot Wheel tires, the Monster Jam logo up top there, the Hot Wheels logo is right there. So Virginia Giant X-ray body, you can kind of see through it. Bringing it around, you can really see it if I point it like that way, kinda. Maybe you can see through the grill right there. Flames right there, going backwards on top of the roof. You see the steering wheel, driver's seat. Spin it around on the opposite side. Virginia Giant. And on the back we have, I guess, the monster Virginia Giant. He's pretty cool on the tailgate right there. And so there's the X-ray body of Virginia Giant. This is the other one I was talking about, was the 2013 version of Virginia Giant. If you haven't seen it, you'll see it now. There we go. Just a quick shot around Virginia Giant 2013. And so that's a pretty awesome X-ray body for Virginia Giant. It did come out, so let's take a look at the other two trucks that came in this series. Was the Blue Thunder, which I did an unboxing video, and also in this series was Lucas Oil Crusader. I think his body was probably the most difficult to see through, so the lighter the color, maybe the better it is to see through them. So there it is, Virginia Giant, the X-ray body. Thank you for tuning in.